Guys, if you want to crop an image on your MacBook but don't know how, then keep watching this video. In this short tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to crop any image. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Method 1. Using preview. First of all, open your image. Right click on the image. Then click open with preview. Now in preview, click on the markup tool, the pen icon. Now click on rectangle at the top left corner. And then select the area of the image that you want to keep by dragging your mouse. After selecting, click on the crop button or simply press Command plus K. And that's it, your image is now cropped. Method 2. Quick crop using Photos app. Now let's see another method. Open the image in the Photos app. Click on the edit option at the top right. Now select crop. Adjust the frame. And click done. You can also adjust the aspect ratio if you want your image in a specific size like square or widescreen. So guys, that's how you can easily crop an image on your MacBook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.